Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I share pork liver with spring onion ginger in pot. The ingredients are pork liver, green onion, ginger, shallot, garlic. Pork liver takes time to process. First process. Do not cut the pork liver too thin, otherwise it will be easily overcooked and the taste will become hard. About 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Rinse it with running water. Cantonese called 皮水. Wash away the blood from the pork liver, otherwise the taste will be hard and dry. Now working on other ingredients. Thinly sliced ginger for easy cooking. Thinly sliced shallots. Mince the garlic. Separate the green and white parts of the shallots and cut them into 3 to 4 cm lengths. Prepare the sauce for later operation. A teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Pinch pepper. Half tablespoon soy sauce. Half tablespoon oyster sauce. Half tablespoon rice wine. Small amount of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of water. Add a small amount of old soy toning. Mix well. All the ingredients have been prepared. Wait for the pork liver to be brewed clean. Pork liver turns white. Water became clear. Scoop up, drain. Press it dry before seasoning so it doesn't get too wet. Seasoning. A teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Pork liver has a strong fishy smell. It is recommended to add more pepper. 1 teaspoon pepper. Half tablespoon soy sauce. Half tablespoon oyster sauce. Half tablespoon Maggi fresh soy sauce. Half tablespoon rice wine. Half tablespoon sesame oil. Half tablespoon dark soy sauce. It is recommended to add some raw powder to make the taste smoother. 3 teaspoons cornstarch. Mix well. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. It is recommended to marinate for more than 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove and drain. Boil water. Open the maximum heat. Add pork liver to cold water. It is not recommended to use hot water to cook. Otherwise, the blood will not be released and the taste will become hard. After boiling, you can pick up. Scoop up, drain. Wash the wok. Add a tablespoon of oil. Fry the ginger until fragrant. After the ginger slices turn golden brown, add shallots, garlic, and white scallions, and fry until fragrant. Add pork liver. Add a tablespoon of Shiaoxing wine. Mix the sauce well, then add and stir well. Add green onion. Stir fry evenly and serve. Turn off the fire and serve. Ready to eat now. I'll serve it in a hot clay pot, able to maintain temperature. Heat up the clay pot. Add pork liver. Pork liver with spring onion ginger in pot. Add green onion. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.